All right, so we're going to be taking a look at replacing some dimmable LED lights here. So this is one of the dimmable switches. We use this all the time in our house, and we want to trade out the lighting. I want to also get a different vibe too from a lighting perspective. So you're going to notice this has a upward spin to it, right? So not on the sides. So I'm curious as what it's going to look like in comparison to a normal light bulb. So giving you a different look at it. So let's go ahead and do this. These are perfect for dimmable lights, light switches. So let's go ahead and cut this off. Safety first, and let's go ahead and get in here. You're going to just simply rotate. It's going to work just like any other light bulb. Make a quick switch here. Just like that. Let's go ahead and get a couple of these done, so we can see some of the differences in the light. And I say let's go ahead and do 3. So look how easy that is. Very simple. Put that on. Comes in a pack, a couple different pack options. We got a 4-pack here, 2 4-packs. That's what they sent us. All right, and I love. Looks like we got a toy stuck in this one. Ha. Love having kids. All right, here we go. And that's 3. So you're going to be able to see the difference when I turn this on. Again, dimmable. We're going to get to watch it together. Dimmable, and that's super important. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then the other 3 are separate. So let's go ahead and see what it works. Okay, so that is on low light. Let's go ahead and make this adjustment up. Okay, so definitely a different look. Now you can also see up top, I don't know if you notice this, so it's definitely a different shadow on the top. So we got a lot more light on the dimmable side. So we're gonna be working that. And I like that it gives us a better surround. Like I think this has a solid look with it. I know it's really hard to tell within the camera, but let's go ahead and undim or dim this just a little bit. So you can see kind of the difference, and it's giving a light work upward instead of a round light, which is absolutely perfect. That works exactly the way we need it to at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and get the rest of them on and make it happen. There you go. You can see a good difference there. We're going to get the rest of them on and make it happen. Bear with me here so we get the rest of the insulation and then a final product. We got 1, and then we need 2, 3. 2 and 3. Here, get around the other side. Make a little switcheroni. Again, super simple installation. You know, lights are everything. Tons of energy saving options, bright options. I mean, you name it. And I think it's super important to keep up on this so that your household is running smoothly and you don't have to worry about it. When we get a cool product, there you have it. And last but not least, and we're going to go ahead and check out the difference here. There we go. So we went from just a basic Sylvania light, 5000K, to this one. So there we go. All of them turn on, work flawlessly. Love that. Definitely a really nice color. I'm definitely digging the color here. Super bright. Able to turn that up and down without any issues. Right there. Check that out. You got a good dim all the way around. You know, very nice. I like the overall look. It kind of it's gonna accent the way our chandelier here works in our house. So you got to absolutely check it out. It's giving a very nice hue as well. So there you have it, guys. Check yourself out. Some of the 7-watt LED bulbs. Like I said, they do have different versions of them and different package options with different amount of pieces. You definitely got to check them out. Thanks, guys.